Hey everyone! Struggling with heavy kitchen appliances? Meet the Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray, your new kitchen lifesaver. Let's check out its top features. Smooth glide, moves effortlessly with a push or pull. Sturdy and durable, supports heavy appliances with ease. Elegant wood design, stylish and blends with any kitchen decor. Generous size, fits coffee makers, stand mixers and more. Non-slip base, stays securely in place. Easy to use. Stylish design. No installation required. Limited color options. Not waterproof, wipe spills quickly. Cut to host wrapping up. Want to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Like and subscribe for more reviews.